In the meantime, Mr. Holness is insisting that the Windrush generation, negatively affected by immigration decisions made by the British government, should be compensated.
We have to call it out for what it is, but we also have to ensure that those who have been deported, that they get access to a process that gets them back, that they get their citizenship, that they get their full rights, and that they get access to the benefits that their citizenship would entitle them.
The Prime Minister described the situation as a disgrace after news surfaced that the British Home Office destroyed some documents which could have verified the status of Caribbean nationals affected by the scandal.
This is a complete and utter disgrace, isn't it? I mean, let's just not sugarcoat this.
It is, especially the new revelation about the destruction of documentary evidence, which could easily help to resolve some of the issues. But I prefer to look at the positive side of it. That
what is the positive side of it?
The government reacted and apologized and has put in place or are putting in place measures.
The Windrush generation are Caribbean nationals who went to Britain to help rebuild that country after World War II. The first to arrive in 1948 did so on the ship Empire Windrush. Commonwealth citizens living in the UK were initially allowed to stay in that country, but changes to British laws required them to prove their status. With some being unable to do so, many have lost their jobs and are being classified as illegal immigrants who may face the risk of deportation.